I'm back and I got extensions. I'm back and I got extensions. I'm back and I got extensions. Ah! Oh, I'm so excited. I got new hair. Hi. Hi. Still Kelsey. Hello. I'm so excited. Okay. No one cares about your hair, Kelsey. Right. Okay. Thank you. I'm so freaking excited today. Obviously new hair, I feel like just makes you excited about life, and it's so fun to have a change. So just added a little bit of length to my hair, but I love it. And so today I should tell you about the makeup part of this. Yeah. But I wanted to do, so it is Pride Month. Happy Pride Month! I feel like Pride Month's getting a little bit overshadowed right now, so I wanted to give a little shout out to my LGBTQ friends and community and do a fun little makeup look in their honor. We did like a little bit of a rainbow eye today, and I feel like it turned out pretty cool. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I'm not 1,000,000% positive what I'm doing today, but it's Pride Month. Happy Pride! And this year I feel like Pride Month's being slightly overshadowed. Well, maybe, yeah, that's very weird. With the Black Lives Matter movement, which both are equally important. Can we not support two oppressed communities at once? Is my question. Apparently not. So I thought it would be fun to not forget that it's Pride Month and do a Pride-inspired makeup look. So I'm going to do some kind of rainbow-esque situation, but I'm not really sure where we're gonna go, so we'll see. I recently got the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brushes. You can see they look like this, so cute. They were super on sale, yes. And why not get more brushes? So I'm gonna try to mostly use those today. And then Morphe X James Charles palette, because I know I've already used this before in a video, but I have not found any other makeup palette that has the same color payoff that this palette does. It's so pretty. So let's see, I think I'll just do like lighter to darker rainbow moment and see where that takes us. I'm gonna start with the JH33 brush. Let's start with yellow. Just stamp that on. I got freaking extensions! Stop! Oh my gosh, can I just... Oh, I forgot to tell you. I got these yesterday and I'm so excited. I have never had extensions. I have wanted them my entire life. I have really, really thin hair. I have tried 1,000,000 serums, hair masks, different styling techniques, and you know, at the end of the day, sometimes you just need some help. My eye is burning. Oh god. Ah. Ow. Whatever, just keep going. I can't believe I just freaking filmed that whole thing in time lapse. I am so bad at this. Well, so you can see where we're going to get to, but I will just do this eye over again happily. No problem. I have something. Okay. No, I'm gonna be grumpy. Okay. Shake that off. It's fine. I just have my little buddy, Carter, my son, who doesn't take very, well, he does take long naps, but I've already wasted so much time, so I have to finish this before he wakes up. Or you will have a crazy toddler in your video. He's actually great. He just is never allowed in this room because I have so many drawers of makeup, and that seems, he'll walk in here and like just in 1 second he's like grabbing things. I'm like, oh yeah, get out. No. So he cannot come in here. Okay, so we do yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. And then I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I'm trying to think of what I just talked about. Oh yeah, if you're curious about helping or how you could support the LGBTQ community, there's a really great organization based in LA, and I'm totally spaced on the name. Project something or something project. I forget the kid's name, but I will link it down below. If you feel like giving back, that's a great organization to give back to. They do a ton of help in that community. And that's a great place to start if you're looking. So I'm just using this concealer to cut my crease. And that's why I could just throw that color on, because I knew I was gonna make it perfect with this. Perfect, a term I will use very loosely. I went up a little higher on that eye than the other eye. I'll fix it later, it's fine. Keep going. Cannot quit now. And then this blue shimmer shade is so fun, and I just saw it in that palette and I was like, let's use it. So is this traditional color combination? Maybe not, but is it cool as hell? Yes, so we're doing it. And I still like putting shimmer on with my finger, but then once you get close to that cut crease part, and if you want it to be sharper, still use a flat brush just to go on the edges. Okay, and can you see that? I'm gonna take a break really fast and do my eyebrows because it's hard for me to see exactly where everything's going till that's done. So I'm gonna do that really fast and I'll be right back. Brows are on. More aggressive today because I have more aggressive of a look, so that's that. I want to go back in one more time with my colors. Brighten things up. I would probably do this look with putting my brows on first. I should have started with my brows on, honestly. I would change that, do that differently. It's just a little more vibrant. You have to do a wing liner on this look. It's like not optional. That's cute. Bam, Gina. Okay, I need to move on to the face, because when you have color on your eye and your face isn't done, you look like a crackhead. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I need to get more of this. I ordered some stuff from Sephora and it said it was delivered, and I don't think I ever got it. I'm pretty sure it was stolen from my porch, but we've also been moving, so I'm like, what if my husband Chris thought it was, like, just grabbed it while we were moving and it hasn't been unpacked yet, is my hope. We'll see. Today I'm going to use the Huda Beauty, is it Faux Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. I like this foundation, but it has such a strong perfume scent, and I don't really like scented foundation. Scented foundation used to make me break out, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my hand and work that into my face. I got to spend the day or the morning yesterday with the Cutting Edge Realty team, with Gary and Amy Martinez team over there. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. That team is like the nicest people, and they're so fun. Some realtors are, I'm gonna get in trouble for saying this, but I feel like there's some big egos. Well, in any field, I feel like there's some big egos in real estate, and so that's kind of a turn off to me. And these people are just like so fun, so chill, down to earth, just good people. Oh, it was so fun hanging out with them yesterday. I'm gonna go back and do the Pat McGrath Labs Perfection Concealer. I really wanted to do a video featuring like only black owned makeup brands, but I didn't have enough makeup for a full face, which tells you I need to change my purchasing habits. But Pat McGrath Labs is a black owned company you can support if you're looking to support black owned companies, or Fenty Beauty, of course, by Rihanna. It is a black owned company. I love having long hair again, like so freaking much. I woke up this morning and I was just like, I'm a princess. Which kind of is pathetic and sad that my self-esteem should not be tied to my hair, but it does impact you. And I kind of went through a hard time this last fall, and so I cut my hair really short. I also lost a lot of hair after I stopped breastfeeding with my son, and my hair just grows really slow. I have a hard time with like hair, skin, nails, all of that. It's a struggle for me. It's not as natural as it is for other people, and so that was kind of tough. And so I thought if I started over with cutting my hair short, it would help. And it did look better, I think. The problem is it just looked so bad to start, so better wasn't really that great. It feels so good to be, I feel like I'm just like back to my normal self with long hair again. Yay. I want to try something new today. I have this Naked Cosmetics, what's he? HD finishing powder and banana. I want to try that to set my face with. It's not a translucent powder, it has a slight tint to it, which is why it's banana. That's pretty. We'll see how it works with the rest of the makeup. This is what I love about makeup. You can literally do anything you want with it. There are no rules, I promise. I mean, there's some rules. Okay, there's some rules. I can't wait to go fishing today. Looking like this. My extensions, my rainbow makeup, and my fishing pole. Hell yeah. Gotta throw on some bronzer. This is MAC Gimme Sun. Whatever. I'm gonna use the NYX Pink the Town blush. I can't even remember if I like this or I hate this or I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, I don't love this Morphe brush. This blush brush. Oh, that's so hard to say. The bristles are too long. It needs to be shorter bristles. Whoever, I'm sure someone not Morphe is watching this right now. That's my professional opinion because it's very important. Thank you. But this color is really pretty. It's like a very soft, peachy pink color. It's really pretty. This brush is soft as hell though. Okay, I'm gonna pop off and do lashes really fast and I'll be right back. Hell yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I need a tad bit of highlight right here. I think I'm cute. I think I did it. Okay, this is my Happy Pride Month look. Only look at this. I did it better. Is my lash coming off? Oh no, it's fine. The side's just smaller than this side, so it's gonna always look weird, so whatever. But thanks for watching. This was so fun to do something bright and colorful and different. It was a journey, but we got there. I love how it turned out though. I think it's super fun and super cute. And I'm excited to rock this all day. Yay! If you liked this video, like, subscribe to my channel if you want to. That would be amazing. And I will be back next time with more fun videos.